Is Rocket Money global? Intro. Hook, ever found yourself overwhelmed by a mountain of bills? Or maybe you've wished there was a magical app that could help you manage your finances with ease. Today, we're diving into the world of Rocket Money and answering the burning question, is it a global financial savior, or is it limited to specific regions? Building context. Personal anecdote. Let's start with a personal confession. I used to be a financial disaster. My bills were scattered everywhere, and I had no idea where my money was going. That's when I stumbled upon Rocket Money. It was like a breath of fresh air. But the question remained, could this app be a lifesaver for people all over the world? Rocket Money overview. Before we get into the global aspect, let's quickly recap what Rocket Money does. It's essentially a personal finance management tool that helps you track your spending, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even negotiate bills. It's like having a personal financial assistant right at your fingertips. Is Rocket Money global? The global reach. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is Rocket Money the global app? The short answer is the kind of. While it's not available in every country, it does have a significant presence in many regions. Key regions. Here are some of the major regions where Rocket Money is making waves. North America, the United States and Canada are Rocket Money's strongholds. It's been gaining popularity rapidly due to its ability to help people tackle the complexities of North American finances. Europe, Rocket Money has made significant inroads into the European market, particularly in the UK and Germany. Its user-friendly interface and ability to cater to the specific financial landscapes of these countries have contributed to its success. Australia and New Zealand, down under, Rocket Money has found a receptive audience. Its features, such as bill negotiation and subscription management, resonate with consumers looking to streamline their finances. Limitations and future expansion. Geographic restrictions. While Rocket Money is expanding its reach, there are still limitations. Some countries and regions may not have access to the full range of features or may face language barriers. Future plans. However, Rocket Money has shown a commitment to global growth. The company has hinted at plans to expand its services to new markets and introduce features tailored to different financial cultures. Final thoughts. A global tool with regional nuances. So, to answer the original question, is Rocket Money global? The answer is yes, but with some regional nuances. While it's a powerful tool for many people around the world, its availability and features may vary depending on your location. A personal recommendation: if you're struggling to manage your finances, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. It's a user-friendly app that can help you take control of your financial situation. Conclusion. Call to action. So, there you have it. Rocket Money is a global financial tool that can make a significant difference in your life. Whether you're in North America, Europe, or beyond, this app has the potential to help you achieve your financial goals. Ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.